All right, Chuckalufficus. Here we go with example 2. So, same type of setup here. 2-sample z-test doing proportions. So, a medical research team conducted a study to test the effectiveness of a cholesterol-reducing medication. At the end of the study, the researchers found that of the 4,700 randomly selected subjects who took the medication, 301 died of heart disease. And then they took a sample of 4,300 randomly selected subjects who took the placebo, and then 357 died of heart disease. So, at a level significance of 0.01, can you conclude that the death rate due to heart disease is lower for those who took the medication than those who took the placebo? So, what we're going to do here is here's all our data over here. You have your n's and your x's. You're going to be putting that into the calculator there. Let me draw some null and alternative hypothesis here. So we have P1 and P2 for null. And then it said it wants to see, is it going to be lower? Is the rate for the first sample going to be lower? Oh man, that should be an A for alternative hypothesis. So lower is going to give me a less than sign right here. That's looking real bad today. And then, so that means a greater than or equal to up there. And then this is the claim. They want that medication to lower the rate. Okay. So that's what we're dealing with. Next step is we need to find that p-value. P-value, and then we're going to do that. Actually, I need to scroll back up because all my data is in this little chart. I got to click over here, stats, to proportion z-test. My x1 is 301. My n is 47 hundo. X2, 357. And 43 hundo. I come down here. We know it's less than. So my p-value is 2. Oh, no. I'm sorry. It's super low. Because that says that is a scientific notation. So it's basically 0, 0, 0, 275. I don't know why I put a point right there. Let's erase it. Book. 275. That's a weird 7, but you know what I'm talking about because I'm telling you. All right. We know we got to put that against the level of significance, which is here. So it looks like I'm going to get a less than. That is correct. That's a long less than. So what does that mean for us? We are going to reject the null hypothesis. It's a weird E. Wow, I am struggling today spelling words. Reject that null. So that means there is enough evidence to support the claim. Let's see if I can get this in. This is laggy today. To support the claim. Remember what the claim was? The company said that if you take that medicine, then the deaths from heart disease go down. And we were able to support that with the evidence. There's evidence to support the company's claim. The claim. Okay, if you have any questions or anything like that, your homework is going to be in the usual place in Google Classroom. Shoot me an email and we'll set something up if you have any questions. Have a lovely rest of your week. Bye.